Hello, and welcome to your IFA estate planning. Here you will discover how to protect family wealth from potential threats to your children's inheritance, because all the best financial plans may quickly unravel without strong legal protection in place. The process begins with a free will checkup, because many wills may need updating due to family circumstances or changes in legislation. Also, many wills are lost or out of date, and some may be incorrect or even invalid. Of course, a basic will is better than no will at all, but it's not enough for people with property and savings. For example, 1 in 3 people in the UK suffer from dementia before they die, and even joint bank accounts can be frozen for more than 9 months before the Court of Protection decides whether to appoint a family member or lawyer to act as a supervised court deputy responsible for submitting annual accounts. And all business owners should set up a separate financial attorney, because their company or partnership may cease trading if they lose mental capacity, even if partners or directors may continue to operate the company's banking. Sadly, a financial attorney is not enough, because if a person has lost capacity, local authorities are legally empowered to make decisions irrespective of family wishes as to where a person may live, their medication, clothing, diet, visitors, and even activities. So everyone should set up lasting power of attorneys irrespective of their age, because even young people may suffer from accidents or sudden illness. Remember, these attorneys are powerful government legal documents that ensure people you trust make decisions about your finances and where you will live, rather than the authorities. But there are many threats to children's inheritance, because when a widowed person loses mental capacity and enters residential care, their home and savings are assessed to pay for care fees, and many homes are sold to pay for care. Children's inheritance can quickly disappear in annual care costs from £30,000 or more, increasing every year for life. This is because a widowed partner automatically owns their joint home and savings when their partner dies, no matter what a will may say. Thankfully, couples can protect their homes by severing their joint ownership, so each partner owns, say, half their property. At the same time, they each set up a special will trust, leaving their share to family. When the first partner dies, their property share belongs to their children. So when a widowed spouse enters a care home, it's not possible to value a property half owned by the deceased person's children. Setting up a will trust is the best solution for couples to protect the inheritance they leave to their children, not only against long-term care costs, but many other risks to the inheritance you wish to leave your family. For example, the risk of divorce claims is much greater than care costs, and even business assets are exposed to financial assessment for care costs and divorce in the family. The risk is high because more than 1 in 3 marriages end in divorce, and second marriages are on the increase. And many children and grandchildren may lose all their inheritance to another family when a widow marries in later life. This is because their will becomes invalid on marriage. Another high risk to children's inheritance is that their inheritance prevents them claiming means-tested benefits. So they must live on your legacy until it dwindles to the small means-tested amount that qualifies for benefits. And incredibly, inheritance tax is paid by grandchildren when they inherit from their parents, who have already paid the tax. But thankfully, your will trust can help prevent double inheritance tax for grandchildren and even great-grandchildren, because unlike a basic will, your will trust sails on for 125 years after you die, protecting children and grandchildren's inheritance against the threat of divorce claims, remarriage, creditors, means testing for state benefits, and even generational inheritance tax. Act now and book your free will checkup today. Simply contact Sean Dalton. Free phone 0800 002 9997. That's 0800 002 9997. Or email sean@equitylegal.uk.